ko, esiet sveicināti pēcspēles preses konferencē. UEFA futbola kausa turnīra otrā diena ir iesākusies ar FC Barcelonas komandas uzvaru. Tā viņiem ir otrā uzvara šajā turnīrā, 6 punkti un ļoti tuvu komanda atrodas iekļūšanai jau elites raundā. Šodien kopā ar mums pēcspēles preses konferencē ir abu komandu galvenie treneri, kā arī spēlētāji. Eto'o Georg komandas sastāvā tas ir vārdsargs Zoltan Balašs. Savukārt Barcelonas pārstāvis šajā preses konferencē ir Igor Rafael Lima de Souza, cilvēks, kas 3 vārtus ir iesīts šodien spēlē. Tāpat arī galvenie treneri, Eto'o Georg, tas ir Artur Fernando Melo, savukārt galvenais treneris FC Barcelona komandai, tas ir Mark Carmona. Tagad lūdzu aicināsim abu komandu galveniem treneriem izteikt savus viedokļus par šodien spēli. Gentlemen, please, your comment about today's match, second victory for FC Barcelona. Was it harder than yesterday's game, and how did your team play today on the game? Please, Mark.
Well, I'm very happy with the victory. For me, Gior is a very good team. For me, it's very difficult in futsal to attack one closed defense, and I think in the second time we play better than the first time. We play better in function of the defense. We are very happy. We have 6 points, and the qualify is very near. Yeah, thank you.
Tulkojums tam, ko teica Marks Carmona, viņi ir ļoti laimīgi par šodienas uzvaru. Ļoti grūti spēlēt par tādu komandu, kas ļoti tādu kā aizslēdzoties spēlē, aizstāvībā neļauj vispār darboties savā zonā nekādīgi. Otrajā puslaikā bijām labāki, tāpēc arī rezultāts beigās spēlē par labu Barcelonas komandai. 6 punkti un ļoti tuvu komanda atrodas iekļūšanai elites raundā. Thank you very much. Now please, Mr. Melo, your comment about today's game. How did you prefer to play against Barcelona, and was it successful your plan against them in today's match?
Okay. First of all, I need to give congratulations from my players because they was like heroes. Because it's not easy. It's not easy to play against one big team, one great team like Barcelona, and because we comes penalized from the rules from the UEFA. You know that we comes from the preliminary group. We take some yellow cards, and yesterday with the second yellow cards, this man was suspended. Even if it's not so easy to play, or it's very difficult to play with against Barcelona with all the team, more difficult is when we have less players. Because of this, first, like I told you, I must give the congratulations for my players because they was heroes. Second, I want to give the congratulations for Barcelona because this they win with justice. They play much better than us, and because of this, the qualification. I know that they win the qualification now. In this moment, we have another game next Sunday, and I believe and I hope that we can make a company for Barcelona to go in the elite round. For the other side, like I told you, it's not easy to play against Barcelona. Barcelona is a strong team. It's one team with many good players, with very good quality, and of course for this, I choose first of all I choose my planning and my strategy for this game. It was a strong defender. But of course, the game is 40 minutes. It's not easy to support all the attacks from Barcelona. And of course, in the end, in the middle of the second half, our team goes to be tired, and it was more difficult for us to sustain Barcelona. Thank you very much, and congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. Komentārs tulkojums latviešu valodai tātad. Ungāru komandas treneris apsveic Barcelonu ar uzvaru. Tomēr par savas komandas spēlētājiem viņš saka, ka viņi šodien cīnījās kā varoņi. Nav viegli spēlēt pret tik spēcīgu komandu kā Barcelona. Turklāt Eto'o Georg komanda nāk no priekšsacīkšu kārtas, un viņiem divi spēlētāji dzelteno kartiņu dēļ, tās dzeltenās kartiņas, ko nopildīja vakardien, šodien spēlē nepiedalās, un šo spēlētāju iztrūkums bija jūtams. Vēlreiz apsveicu Barcelonu ar iekļūšanu, praktiski iekļūšanu jau Elites raundā. Jā, tātad svētdien mēs ceram pievienoties šai komandai, tātad to 2 komandu skaitā, kas iekļūst nākamajā kārtā. Šodien spēles plāns bija pirmām kārtām balstīts uz darbībām aizsardzībā, spēcīga aizsardzība, tas bija galvenais, ko mēs cerējām. Tomēr otrā puslaika vidū komanda nedaudz favorē, savukārt Barcelona to izmantoja un kopumā guva 8 vārdus. Thank you very much. Now we will let the comment Mr. Igor. You scored 3 days, 3 goals today.
¿Cómo ha sido el partido contra
Bueno, nosotros sabíamos que seria um partido difícil. Encontramos uma equipe que defende muito atrás. A princípio, tuvimos um pouco de dificuldade, mas creio que a qualidade de nossos jogadores ha hecho a diferença.
We know this was a very difficult game. We found a team that defends so good in the backside of the court. When we start the match, we had a difficult against Dior, but I think the quality of our players is the key to achieve the victory.
Something else? Want to add about your girls?
Só a enhorabuena para a equipe contrária que tem jogadores de qualidade, um partido muito bueno, pero nosotros sabia que ia ser difícil, pero bueno, creio que estamos no caminho certo e tentaremos classificar em primeiro.
First of all, congratulations to the Eto FC Gior. They have a very good team with great players. They play a good game, both. But I think we are in the right way on this part of the season, and we try to achieve the first position in this main round.
Sezonu spēlētājs teica, ka esam pareizā virzienā ejam, tātad mums priekšā vēl gadu sezonu un ceram, ka tā būs veiksmīga. Okay, thank you, and now your comment about today's games. Today's match yesterday, you played very well against Nikārs side, but today you conceded 8 goals. Was it different moments or what happened? Why you conceded so much goals?
Igen, hát tudtuk, hogy a Barcelona egy nagyon jó csapat, és hogy a tegnapi mérkőzés után fáradtabb lesz a csapatunk.
So we knew that Barcelona is a very good side, and that our team will be not that fresh after yesterday's game.
Sajnos nem tudott játszani 2 játékosunk, és a végére elfáradtunk, ezért lett nagyobb gólkülönbség, mint amit elfogadhatónak tartottunk volna.
Unfortunately, 2 players were suspended today, and at the end of the game we were very tired, and that's why we conceded so many goals.
Zinājām, ka Barcelona ir laba komanda, bija ļoti grūti spēlēt pret viņu. Viens no zaudējuma iemesliem ir tas, ka 2 spēlētāji iztrūkums. To plaši, ko teica arī komandas treneris, zeltaino kartīšu dēļ, šo spēli izlaid 2 vadošie spēlētāji. Jā. Okay, thank you. Now, question answer session. Lūdzu, ja jums ir kādi jautājumi žurnālistiem, tad droši vaicāt, pirms tam noslaucot savu vārdu uzmanību mēdīju pārstāvnieci. Kreiš, lūdzu.
Jautājums Ungāra komandas trenerim. Zinot, Barcelona komandas spēku, kādas vārdas šeit komandai vai paši spēlētāji ticēja, ka paši spēlētāji līdzīgs jūtība ar Spāņiem, kur pirmajā puslaikā tiešām Ungāra spēlē uzzīstami.
A question for Mr. Melo. You know that Barcelona is a very good team. What did you say to your players before the game to motivate them for this match? Because, as our journalist colleague says, that on the first half you played very well. What was the motivation words to play against Barcelona side?
You must understand that our team normal play with the same intensity all the games. And of course, we have today, they have one special motivation. is to play against Barcelona. Only this name put some scare in the people. Because of this, it wasn't so big necessity to give motivations, because the name Barcelona, it's enough to motivate all the players, all the coaches, because we try to make our best, we try to be strong, we try to give some replica against one big team. Of course, like you know, we try. We try, but we have limits. The human being has limits, and the limit is when we don't have players so enough with good quality. When we have two suspended men, this is a very big weakness for our team. Of course, it's not one justify. I don't want to justify that we lose 8-2. No, I think that the score is correct. We don't have nothing against this, but you must understand that in this moment, Barcelona is one of the best teams from the world, and because of this, we must respect. Our motivation, it was this, to try to give some replica for Barcelona.
Spēlēt pret Barcelonas komandu papildus motivācija nav vajadzīga. Spēlētāji zina, pret ko viņi spēlē, viņi parādīs savu labākās puses. Un arī treneris tieši ar tādiem vārdiem viņus motivē parādīt to, ko esat spējīgi. Lai arī uz jebkuru spēli Georgija komanda noskaņojas ar vienlīdzīgu gatavību. Komanda mēģināja spēlēt aktīvi, tomēr jau vienreiz pieminētais divu spēlētāju iztrūkums šajā spēlē. Gluži vienkārši pietrūkas cilvēki, pēc redzot veselus, lai vienlīdzīgāk nospēlēt ar šo komandu. Tomēr tas nav attaisnojums zaudējumam. Zaudējums ir loģisks, likumsakarīgs. 2-8, ja? Tās bija treneru komentāri. Ja ir vēl kādi jautājumi, lūdzu.
Barcelonas treneru jautājums. Kādu spēli rīt sagaida treneris un ko var teikt par Nikaršu?
Yeah, the question is about the Sunday's match against FK Nikarš. What do you expect from that? You saw Latvian champions playing yesterday, and with what strategy you will play, or what do you think about the next opponent?
We always respect the opponents, but we traveled to Riga with one objective. It's 9 points, and Sunday we hope to win. We watched Riga. I think is a good team, but I hope we will win on Sunday and to do 9 points.
Nikarš komanda ir laba komanda. Kopumā tomēr treneris garākos izklāstos negāja, neanalizēja komandas spēli. Viņš pateica, ka FC Barcelona galvenais uzdevums šeit Rīgā ir 9 punktu un kvalifikācija nākamajā kārtā ar 100% rezultātu. Redzēsim, kāda būs spēle svētdien. Vai vēl kādi jautājumi? Any questions? No? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for your words.